everyone, my name is Prabhjot Singh and welcome to my channel. I noticed you enjoyed my character voice impressions. I would like to let you guys know that I have another YouTube channel that consists of 35 videos in total so far. On that channel, there is a video of where I'm doing voice impressions of 15 characters. However, the views for all my videos on that channel decrease and are still decreasing. Here are some before and after photos as examples. So that is why I decided to make a new channel where I would also plan to make separate videos from the all-in-one 15 character video. First reason, it was too long, and second, this was a test to see if my views would still decrease, and this was the result. So it is clear that the person who's decreasing my views on my other channel has now access and control over this new channel. That's why I decided not to upload any more videos until this problem is solved. I ignored this for quite some time, thinking that it would go away on its own. But sometimes you have to take the necessary steps. So I request everyone to share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you.